going on, everybody? Today got MVP box. Never opened MVP before, so it'll be interesting. I don't know nothing about it. I know they do the MVP watch, and that's about it. But let's jump right into it. Once again, won't waste you guys' time. I've only watched one video of these, and the reason I bought one is I had heard that they were doing a lot more autos this year in these boxes. But I don't know if that's actually true or not. I can mess with it's being difficult. I'm gonna try and get a few videos out this week. I'm home right now with COVID, so I'm off work. I got a few things I need to open, so we'll see. All right, let's just jump right into it. So I know they come with the ice battles every pack. I do know that, and I know the short prints are above 250. So I'm pretty sure this is the base. Yeah, so this is the base. Jack Roslovic. David Perron. MVP rookies, Zach Jones. Before and after MVP of Brent Burns. It's a good looking card. I don't know. I know there's a gold parallel to these, but I don't know what's actually gold on the card. I don't know if it's this background right here, if it's the lettering or what. Timo Meier, who just scored, I think, 5 goals in a game. I know he set the franchise record. Zach Hyman, Andrei Svechnikov, and there's the ice battles of Andrei Vasilevsky. I know Timu, or not Timu, I guess it is Timo Meier. I think it was 3 goals in 11 minutes of playing time or something like that. Something insane. Kuznetsov, Hornfist, Mikko Rantanen MVP. Austin Matthews, what is this, heart attack? Yeah. So there's the heart attack. Again, I'm pretty sure there's a gold parallel of this too. Anders Lee, Pavel Zacha, Ivan Provorov, and Ice Battles, Kalen Addison. I've never opened these before. I never really liked the inserts, but like I said, now that I saw it, or I didn't see it. Somebody told me that there was more autos this year than before. Aho, Shabbat, Johansson, MVP rookies Wade Allison. Before and after Artemi Panarin. Dougie Hamilton, Morgan Riley, and Ice Battles Cole Lind. Patrice Bergeron, Thomas Hertl, Nick Ritchie, and another heart attack, Jack Hughes. Artemi Panarin, Robbie Fabry, Cam Atkinson, and Ice Battle Austin Matthews. I don't think I've seen any of the short prints yet, unless these are over 250, which they're not because they're labeled different. At 231. Bo Horvat, Mackenzie Blackwood, Brian Getzlaf, MVP rookies Rasmus Kupari, Stormy. It's kind of weird how they did that, how they actually wrote the mascots on there. At least they have a good mascot because the rest of the team's kind of cringeworthy. How does everybody else feel about that bullshit Storm Surge thing they do? see what we got here. Jack Eichel. Can't wait to see him play in Vegas. Brent Burns. MVP rookies, Jan Yannick. New Jersey Devil, Demon. Jonathan Huberdeau, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Phil Kessel, and Philip Zadina. All right. John Klingberg, requested trade. Who knows where he'll go. Max Comtois, Joel Farabee, another mascot. Hunter, the Canadian Lynx from the Oilers. Anthony Mantha, Christian Dvorak, Vladimir Tarasenko, and Adam Henrique. I always wonder, how do they decide who to put on the cover of these things? JVR, Elias Pettersson, Jamie Drysdale, MVP rookie. Then here's a Matt Barzal. So I believe this is the silver script, if I'm not mistaken. It's a good looking card, actually. I'm not too thrilled about the base. I think that's a weird color. I don't know why they went with that. Carter Verhaeghe, Nicholas Backstrom, and Philip Grubauer. The bases or whatever. This silver looks really good, though. Tyler Toffoli, Victor Arvidsson, Drew Doughty, another mascot, Louis the Polar Bear, Niels Höglander, Vitek Vanacek, Evgeny Malkin, and Jonathan Marchessault. Pavel Buchnevich, Ilya Sorokin, Carey Price, and then here's an MVP watch, Brad Marchand. I'm tempted to throw this one, but my luck, this will be the one that's worth money. So I'll set to the side unwillingly. Yanni Gourde, Philip Deneau, Jamie Benn, and Dominic Kubalik. Marc-Andre Fleury, Dennis Gurianov, Dylan Cousins. Now, this is a gold scripts, I believe, of Crosby. Now, what I don't know about these is how these autos are done, or if they're just... I don't know how these are done. So there's the gold versus the silver. Look, that's actually a really good looking card, though. Shea Weber, Martin Nakis, Alex Tuck, and Aaron Ekblad. Chris Kreider, Tim Stützle, Matt Zuccarello, Trevor Zegras. This is a guy I've been looking for. I'm ready for his young gun. I live in Southern California, so I get to watch this kid play all the time. This is a checklist card. Oh, so this is 250. This is the last card before the SPs, I believe. Sparty Cat from the Senators. I'm sure even the mascots being ashamed to be in Ottawa. Tristan Jarry, Connor Garland, and Elias Lindholm. Brad Marchand, I'll throw that one. That's the base. Igor Shesterkin, Quinn Hughes, Logan Couture, another one of those. I don't know if this is the silver script or that Marchand card is the silver script. So Logan Couture, Philip Hronek, Joe Pavelski, Nick Schmaltz, and see that one's different. Maybe it's not. And then Gabe Vilardi. Oliver Bjorkstrand, Alex Killorn, Josh Bailey, MVP watch, Thomas Chabot. I don't know if this box, if there's a number card to every box or not. Miles Wood, Braden Point, Jordan Stahl, and Josh Norris. If there is, I haven't seen it yet, I don't think, unless it was that Sidney Crosby. Seth Jones, Joel Eriksson Ek, John Gibson. MVP watch, Spencer Knight. Rasmus Anderson, Jacob Markstrom, Dustin Brown, and Sam Reinhart. UC Saros, Carter Hart, Victor Hedman, Philip Zadina. That silver card again. This might just be one of the short prints of his, I guess. Ricard Raquel, Mackenzie Weegar, Roman Josi, and Kevin Fiala. Rasmus Dahlin, Mark Stone, Kevin Lankinen, Leon Draisaitl, Rope Hintz, TJ Oshie, John Tavares, and Mark Giordano. Chris Letang, Dylan Larkin, Brian Rust, Patrick Kane, a John Carlson MVP watch. Joe Pavelski, Nino Niederreiter, and Rope Hintz. Samuel Girard, Mitch Marner, Anze Kopitar. Oh, there's a number card right there. So I wonder if this is an on-card auto. So here's a Carter Hart black, numbered 3/5. I don't know if you can see that right there or not. So that doesn't look on card. That looks the same as all the other ones where it's almost like embossed into it. It's a good looking card though. So there's the hit of the box. Mikhail Sergachev, JT Miller, Nico Hischier, and Matthew Tkachuk. Jacob Chikrin, Brock Besser, Alexander Barkov, Jan Yannick, Matt Dumba, Johnny Gaudreau, Connor Brown, and Teuvo Teravainen. And here, let's take a look at these two cards again right here. Give me that Carter Hart. There's easily the nicest card of the box. I'll have to look at what they call it. I'm sure it's just a black short print or something like that. Number 3/5 though, and then where'd that Crosby go? Those are probably the two nicest of the box, probably by far. All right, guys, like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. There's MVP hockey. I guess I can't complain with that pull. Thanks. Have a good day.